Are you an existing Excel user and you want to look at the most important and most frequently used formula in Excel, all in the one place? If so, then our Excel 2016 Spotlight on Formula and Functions course with me, Fiona Hannon Certified Trainer, is the right course for you. This course takes existing Excel users and guides you through step-by-step tutorials that are easy to follow. Starting from the beginning, you'll learn how to create simple formula using operators, right through to if, lookup and other useful text and date functions. It will also explain the difference between relative and absolute referencing and where to use them. Usually these functions would be split over different courses, level 1, 2 and 3. Here, we've put them all in the one course so you can concentrate fully on this part of Excel. At the end of this course, you can take our online assessment to gain certification to prove to yourself and others that you are a skilled user of functions in Excel. Join thousands of people like you by getting the most out of Excel 2016. Enjoy the course.